come through, man. You know I'm right on time. The way I step up on the beat, plus I rock this mic like no one else has ever did. You could call me Mike, cause all I wanna do is win with my tongue out. I'm about to make your main girl green. Everything around me, cash rules. I'm making moves, who can stop me? Not you, ill rhymes, spreading vibes like a virus. I choose, see, I'm a petty nigga. Anything you claim to do, I do it bigger, my nigga. It's I ride double FA and I rise until the
Hi guys, I'm Pumpkin Spice Baddie and I'm back with another video, an evening skincare routine video. So I had done a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you'd like to see my evening skincare routine, and you guys said definitely. So here I am with a video for you guys. So immediately after the shower, I just went in with my simple skincare makeup removing wipes, which are like so soft and they don't like irritate the skin. So I just went in with that to remove the excess makeup that I had on my face, just to make my cleansing step a bit easier. So as you guys can see, my face is almost clean. I went in with like 3 wipes just to get most of the makeup, if not all, off, and especially on my eyes because of the mascara. So yeah, so after that, the next step is just washing my face, and I'm going in with the Johnson & Johnson bar soap. So guys, I don't recommend using this kind of bar soap on your face as a cleanser, but this is what I'm just using because my simple cleanser got finished and I haven't gotten the time to get a new one. So I'll just go in with that, gently wash my face, and then just rinse off with some cold water on my face. And that's the cleansing step done. So guys, I've just finished the cleansing step. My face is fresh and clean, and I just decided to shave off my mustache. Yes. My facial hair grows like crazy, so I just decided to clean it up, my mustache, and also on my brows. So I think I'll just do that off camera and then come back when I've already finished with that step, because it's not a necessity in your evening skincare routine. It's just something random that I felt like I wanted to do at the moment. So yeah, let me just finish it off and then come back when I'm done with that. I'm just cleaning up the places that I shaved with a cotton wool and some saline water, and yeah, that's that. So the next step is just going in and hydrating my face, and I'm achieving this with the snail mucin hydrator, and this particular one I got from Beauty Square KE, and you guys, I love this. Is like my second bottle ever since I started using this snail mucin as a hydrator in my skincare routine. So I normally use it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, and my skin just loves it. Just look at how my face is already glowing, and I've not even applied some moisturizer yet. So I've just added a little pump, but just look at the glow. Look at the glow, guys. And I'm putting a little bit extra on the places I shaved so that I don't get the razor bumps. So guys, I'm done with the hydration. I'm further hydrating my skin with a face mask. I'm using a Garnier face mask, and I normally don't do this every day, but I try to do it every week just to hydrate myself and like pamper my skin. So this face mask, it was a coconut milk serum face mask. It was smelling so nice. As you can see, my face is already glowing, but wait until you see the glow after this face mask. So is it just me, or do face masks never like fit your face properly? They're either too big or like a bit smaller, but I felt like this one was fitting my face properly. I didn't need to like cut some parts to like stretch it out and adjust it to my face. And I'm telling you, the serum was in plenty. So yeah, so I just kept it on for like 15 minutes just to let it do the work, and I didn't put it on for any extra time, because then it'll start doing the opposite and not hydrate your skin and like dry it out. So the 15 minutes are over, guys, and it's time to remove the mask. And look at that face. Oh my god, I'm just massaging in the excess serum from the mask, but girl, am I shining? Am I looking like a glazed donut? Oh my god, I should just quickly zoom in on that glass face skin. Girl, I don't know what else to say, but girl, my skin is doing it, and it's doing the most, as it should. So as you guys can see, there's nothing major I've done on my face, but just hydrated it, cleansed it, and just now I'm going to moisturize it. So guys, let me just zoom in so that you guys can see. Look at that face. Oh goddess. So I'm going in again with a simple nighttime moisturizer. You guys, I'm saying these people should sponsor me, because I'm doing free advertisement over here. So anyway, next I'm just trying to dry my face before I go in with the moisturizer, and the products are doing what they're supposed to do. Honestly, it's not even cap. You guys can see it for yourself. So as I go in with the moisturizer, I'm just going to take a small amount, just a pea-size amount, and just massage that all over my face. And this will be the final step in the nighttime routine. Guys, that's it for my skincare routine, and girl, am I looking glazed, honey. Look at that face. Wow. Surprise!
Oh my god! What's that? It's what?
Cake.
Okay, that's not cake, but that's something. Yeah, so now I'm going to be actually. Wow, I'm going to tell wine.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pumpkin Spice Baddie. If you're new here, welcome to the fam, and I'm so glad you decided to watch my video, to click on my video. And yeah, we're going to have so much fun on this channel, as in yeah. So today is a new day. Before I even go in, someone's calling me, guys. So I was just opening my drawer to get my costumes when I saw this mega monster. Oh my god, now takuja on your stuff, wallahi billahi. She's a big spider guy. What can you test with fun? This is way stuff. So guys, I was trying to record, but then kulikuwa like a huge spider. Haijoliwa, but it's still in my bedroom. So I hope when I leave and I come back, okay, meenda, because I'm scared of bugs. Honestly, yuck. Anyway, so today is a sunny Saturday. Yes, the weather is looking nice, and it's good for a nice swim. Why stay in the house when there's this good weather? So guys, I was saying, my mom entered my room, so anyway. So I was saying it's a sunny Saturday. It's a sunny Saturday, and yeah, we've decided to go out for like a nice afternoon swim just around here. I'll take you guys with me. I'll show you around the place. So I'll take you guys along, show you how the place looks like, of course, share their menu, share their prices for the pool and everything there. And yeah, so that's the plan for today. Let me show you guys my outfit. My costume, you'll probably see it in like when I'm there. Kuna watu hapa wanafikiria sijui kuswim by the way, na nawajua. Please, today I'm going to show you my skills.
Yeah.
Tattoos and shit.
They call me Michael Phelps.
Damn.
Because I be out here swimming.
You ain't even tell me you could swim.
Yeah, hell yeah, I can swim, girl.
You okay?
Huh?
You okay? Stand up. Wait. Stand. Give me a floaty.
I can hear.
Grab the floaty.
Grab my hand.
Grab the floaty. This motherfucking nigga. See this?
Me nilikuwa swimming team. Okay, jokes. Sikuwa swimming team. But at least I can't drown. Is that a flex? Yes. So let me show you guys what I've decided to wear. So this is the costume I'm wearing. This is the kofia. I don't know how this kind of hats are called, but it's giving 2000 vibes, you know. But anyway, this is the, I'm wearing white booty shorts, and then this is, I've worn my costume because I don't want to go and like stay in the changing room. I'm here for the swimming. So it's open at the back. Yeah. Huku chini mtaona this, it's a full costume. So Java. The food is here, so we ordered fries and chips masala because they're not even that hungry. Like,
We're just snapping.
taste for you guys. They can tell me.
That's not bad.
Masala.
For daddy. Try me up.
serving skin.
Mom, tunafaa kumpeleka kwa dermatologist. Ama unataka nikuwe na sura mbaya? Haya mom. Nikuwe repellent. Oh no. Mom, unataka nikae away from the against.
Oh no.
So guys, we're back from swimming. Mom, how was swimming?
When you get there. Yes, Sonia.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I did. I sure did.
Mbona kila wasa wanakuanga na some fake accent?
You got a fake accent for real?
Anyway, so
Are
I hope
you
you
for real?
When you get there.
I hope,
Alright.
okay, my father. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below.
And see you next time.
Bye.
Next
Say
week.
pan. Relax. Bye.